All right.
How you doing, folks? Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. These folks stopped by the garage, and it's on them now. Go ahead and tell them a little bit about yourself.
I'm Tommy Jones. This is my wife, Cindy. We're from Lubbock, Texas. Back in September, we bought this 2005 Monterey Laguna 4, and we drove up here about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, 3 weeks ago.
And 1,500-mile trip and visit family, and we're fixing to head out, go to see Gettysburg, and then we're
There
going
you
to
go.
travel back to Lubbock.
Well, you're at Seashore Park right now, right?
That's
Or was?
right.
Gotcha.
Yeah, great little park.
Great little park.
Yeah.
Yep. Now it's a beaver, right?
That's exactly
Yep.
right.
That's it. See the symbol, guys? There's a beaver right there. All right. Well, good meeting you, and safe travels on the roads. And I'll be posting you on there.
Well, enjoyed it, and I appreciate the help.
All right. Take care.
Thank you, Jeff.
Bye bye.